How to log in into Advocate Tax. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into Advocate Tax. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. Now in the search bar type Advocate Tax Login and search for it. Once you search for it, here you will see different options on your screen. From the different options, click on the first one. Once you click on it, you will be directed to this page. Now you can finally enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, click on that forget your password option. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys understood this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.